For the final project of Social Graphs course, we decided to work on this incredible trilogy, which is Lord of the Rings. On this picture here you can see Aragorn, Legolas, Gimli, Gandalf, Frodo and his companions, who are the main characters of the story. As big fans, we wanted to investigate more about how the characters and which ones are connected to each other. What are the communities which form in the story, and what can we learn about the characters through sentiment analysis? Who are the nice ones and who are the bad? In order to have all the information we needed, we used a wiki about Lord of the Rings created by its fans. There we extracted a list of characters present in the 3 movies. Then we've downloaded all the wiki pages associated with this list of names, which provided us with enough material to work on. To help us work with all this data, we used Jupyter Notebook, Python and the Wiki API. As you can see, we obtained a graph with 152 nodes and 791 edges, which we will use to perform various calculations like analysis of the degree distribution. We will also take some time to evaluate the different communities that exist in the Lord of the Rings story, in order to know how the characters are grouped together. As well as that, we want to try to compare the communities we just obtained through the graph with communities based on their actual race and culture, which are attributes of the characters that we can obtain from the wiki pages. We can use, for example, the confusion matrix to evaluate the communities created and examine how the ties between them exist. An important part of our study will be the whole sentiment analysis part, which of the characters are nice or good and which of them are evil. Having seen the movies, we would expect the hobbits to be happy and Sauron to be mean, but who knows? Maybe we all misunderstood it. As you may know, the books are quite long, 1,200 pages and 62 chapters. The edition we extracted also included a 5-chapter prelude. We have also been able to get the transcript of all the movies. That transcript we will clean to get every word that a character says and perform sentiment analysis on it. Here you can see the evolution of the sentiment through the story. So let's summarize. With the wiki pages, we are going to create a network to represent the links between the characters. We're going to find out who are the most connected characters. We're going to detect communities based on graph properties and compare it with communities based on race or culture. We want to find ties between the communities. We want to find who the good heroes are and who the evil guy is. And we want to create word clouds to describe the communities. And with the books and transcript, we want to see the evolution of sentiments throughout the story. We want to understand who is who based on what characters are saying in the movies, and we want to represent the evolution of sentiments per characters throughout the story.
For Frodo.